Today we're talking about grand battement with a fondu. This is a great way to prep for our grand allegro jumps, both to take off and to land. So again, I'm in first position, and when we do our fondu, it's when our leg is in the extended position, so at the height of our grand battement, like so. Now, there are a few things that we need to be aware of when we are doing this. We want to make sure that our knee is, again, applying all of our plie work. So our knee is going over our toes and it's stable and we're pulling up out of our hips and really controlling that movement. So the beating is happening on your working leg, but we have to control our standing leg with the fondu as well and make sure that we don't snap our knees. It becomes really easy to try to pop into that fondu when we lift. So make it nice and controlled, each of your directions. To give a side view for the back, it would be here. This is not to be confused now with a plie on the close, in which case if you were to do that, you would grand battement and plie with your feet together. So the execution is different based on whether you're in the open position or the extended position versus the closed position. The one that we're detailing today is where we're extended out. That's where I see a lot of challenges occur when we are trying to control that fondu. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or ask me in class, and I will see you tomorrow.